next one is urgency and scarcity. And there's a difference between when something is urgent and when something is scarce. I'm going to explain that. But the reason why urgency and scarcity are important is because of what I told you earlier. If people know that they don't have to act now, they don't have to buy from you now, they can buy tomorrow, they can buy next week, they can buy next month, or they may never even buy because they will forget. Life will happen, they will get distracted, and they will not buy. So if you're going to sell an offer, look for ways to introduce elements of urgency and scarcity. What does urgency mean? Urgency means limited time. You don't have until tomorrow. You don't have until the end of the month. You don't have until the end of the year to buy this thing. You have to buy it as soon as possible. Why? Because there's a limited time. This offer ends on the 31st of the month. This offer ends in 30 days' time. This offer ends in 48 hours from now. If you don't close the window, lock the window, because time is boundaryless. There's no end to time. People will keep stretching it. So if you're saying, this offer is fine, but the issue is this offer is only available for the next 7 days. I hope that gives you enough time to think about it. But after 7 days, this offer will be off the table. So you need to include urgency. The next one is scarcity. While urgency is about limiting the time, scarcity is about limiting the supply. If people know that the product will always be available, why buy it now? They can buy it anytime. After all, there will always be the product to buy. But if the supply is limited, only 30 slots available, only 500 copies available, only 25 units available, then people know that if they don't act, somebody else will beat them to it. That's how you limit the supply. So these two things, you can use them in combination. You can limit the time by setting a deadline or an expiry for the offer, or you can limit the supply by limiting the number of units or capacity that is available for that thing. So that's about urgency and scarcity. The next one is loss aversion. People are more afraid to lose something than to gain something. People are more likely to regret a loss. So when you are selling an offer, there's a critical question that you need to answer. What do they lose if they don't buy? If you don't buy this thing I'm selling, this offer I'm giving you now, what do you stand to lose? If people know what they are going to lose, it is more painful than when you're just selling them an offer and they're like, but why? I can always, is it really necessary? They're saying things like that. Or I'll get back to you. Let me think about it. If there's no cost, if there's no consequence, if there's no loss, then your offer will not be irresistible. Irresistible and attractive offers have one interesting component, which is that people feel like they will miss out on the opportunity of a lifetime if they don't grab this offer. The moment you start sounding like the opportunity of a lifetime, then you know you've gone into loss aversion territory because people are afraid of loss. So how can you infer a missed loss aversion? Things like missed opportunity. If you package your offer as a missed opportunity, if you package your offer to be such that if you don't grab this offer, your frustration will continue. You will continue to waste time. You will continue to lose money. You will continue to suffer burnout and exhaustion. All those terrible things that have been happening to you will continue. If you're interested in learning more about the topics I offer when it comes to starting, building, and growing a business, this is your opportunity to join my community. It's known as the BMG. I provide extensive courses on different topics and challenges that afflict business owners, from how to optimize your profits, how to manage costs, how to boost your sales, how to develop processes, how to scale your business. There's a whole lot that I can teach you. If you want to go deeper into my content, this is your chance. Go to the link on your screen right now, jointhebmg.com.